Hello, beautiful! Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful Chinese rose lip art. To begin with, I create the sketch of the flower using the white water paint. Using the same watercolor, I fill the sketch in. Next, I outline the petals of the flower with the help of the red eyeshadow by Inglot and an angled brush. Using the same eyeshadow, I fill the petals in. I add more color to the center of the flower and blend it outwards like so. I further add black eyeshadow to the center of the flower and again slightly blend it outwards. I go on to the pistil, which I draw using a white watercolor. As to the stamina, then I create it by adding yellow dots on top of the pistil. Next step would be outlining. Using your fine brush and black watercolor, outline your pistil and stamina. Finally, outline the petals and add necessary details to the petals using the same black watercolor. And yes, that's the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. All products used are listed in the down bar below. Please also support me by subscribing and liking this video. I would really appreciate if you shared this video with your friends too. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.